So you've downloaded the face shield and you're going to 3D print it to help out with the COVID-19 relief. But how does the 3D printer actually know where to put the plastic out, where to move to, what's controlling this machine? 3D printers, like many computer numerically controlled machines such as mills, lathes, laser cutters, water jets, etc., all use what's called G&M code to control how the machine moves its axis. Take, for example, this miniature cup being turned on a CNC lathe. You can watch the G code as the machine runs. In the next video, we'll look at what G code is specific to 3D printing and how it makes the machine behave.